Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into your Telegram account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram may be among the most popular messaging services in the world. And on Telegram, you can add multiple accounts on your device. On one device, you can add multiple accounts on the app. So how to do it? How if you want to log in into your another account on Telegram, how to log in? So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. There is an option add account. You can just tap on that. You can enter your country code here. Now you can enter your phone number. You can sync contacts. Now you can tap on the here. Tap on yes. I've activated my two-step verification on my Telegram. So I have to enter my code, my password. Can enter. So now here's your Telegram account. So that is how to log into your Telegram account on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!